Yes, good day, everyone, students. Oh, yes, this time we are talking about representation of data. Representation of data. So know that statistics is one of a good topic, a good subject, and a good professional career, which many people are diving into now. Almost every sector of lives now deal with what data. And basically, what statistics is all about is representation of data, how to forecast using data, how to analyze data, and how to prepare for future. So we have many industry that are in need of these skills. So, but the basic thing is how to collect data, how to analyze it, and how to represent it. So today we'll be looking at data representation. Data are connected for a purpose and should be tabulated or represented for easy identification. Data can also be represented in form of pictures, graphs, and charts. So we have many ways in which data can be represented and analyzed. So in advanced studies, you see how it is being used, analyzed, but you must first of all represent it in array of pictures, graphs, charts, or what have you. But data can be represented using pictogram in form of pictures, bar charts. All bar charts are of equal width. So if you want to represent your data with bar chart, you must make sure that all bars are in equal width. Bars are equally spaced. They must have the same. There must be the same gap between those bars, and the height of those bars represent the quantity or frequency of the datum it represents. Pie chart represent data in a circular form where sectors are allocated to items or classes. The size of sector is determined by its angular size. The angle is calculated and drawn based on the fact that sum of the angles at a point is 360. You know that when you have a circle, the total angle you can find in a circular space is what? 360 degree. So if you want to use pie chart to represent a data, the angle for an item is calculated using what? Quantity of the item over sum of all the items multiplied by 360 degree over 1. It's 360 over 1. So let's move into the pictogram. So pictogram is just using picture to represent data. For example, tribe. Under tribe we have Efik, Ibibio, and Yoruba. Let's say we want to get to know the population, the number of people in a particular location. We want to know the tribe. You want to know their tribe based on the number of people living there, based on their tribe. So for Efik, the population of Efik in that community is 1,500. For Ibibio is 2,000, and for Yoruba is 2,750. But there must be a key that represents those pictures, which is called pictogram. So when we say those picture represent 500, while the half of that picture represents 250. So if we have 1,500, so that means we need what? If one of those picture values to be 500, then it has to be what? 3. So 111 of those, 3 of those key of those picture represent 1,500. So also is applicable to Yoruba, 2,750. So that's that about that. So we have bar chart. Bar chart also is using a bar to represent the value of data. So, and the first thing you must know that in bar charts, all bars must be equally spaced, and also if equally spaced, it must be in form of they must have the same width, equal width. So you can see from the diagram that they have the same width and they have the same equal space, and the height represent the quantity. So the this represents the amount of rainfall, and the amount of rainfall is talking about the height, and the month is talking about those bars, the width of those bars. So we have pie chart using a circle to represent those, yes, to represent the data, So we have an extra, okay, I want to deal with this example. So in extramural class of 100 students, 30 offers mathematics, 10 offer physics, 50 offer English language, 4 offer chemistry, and 6 offer biology. Represent the data in using pie charts. Total number of students is equal to 100 because 30 plus 10 plus 50 plus 4 plus 6 will give us what? Will give us 100. So the angle for mathematics students will be what? Number of mathematics students over total number of students multiplied by 360 over 1. So if you do 30, which represents the number of students, which is what? 30, so that way the mathematics student is 30, so we have 30 over 100 multiplied by 360, we have 108. For physics, we have 10 over 100 multiplied by 360 is equal to 36. We have English, 50 over 100 multiplied by 360 will give us 180. And for chemistry, 4 divided by 100 multiplied by 360 will give us 14.4. And for biology,